Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know in the chat box. Yes? Okay. We'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us. Only 1 minute. Till then, everyone, please turn on your videos, put on your earphones, headphones, whatever device you have at your home. And a very good evening to everyone. The topic remains the same, dear. We are going to do simple interest. And today we will start the previous year questions of simple interest, okay? PYQ questions. Today all the questions that we will be doing will be exact from your examination, either from JNV or from SANIC or from RMS, okay? And each and every question you will find in your book, that is Bharati publication book. And it's a humble request to each one of you, if your parents can hear me, they should also know my request, that most of you don't submit your assignments. Most of you don't submit your assignments. Books, those who have ordered the books has been dispatched. You can track your book in the announcement section, so in the Sanic School Coaching app, the Shiromani Institute app, you know it. And all the information you can get there from about the book. Please submit your assignments on time. Please do submit your assignments on time, everyone. Okay, now let's start the class. This question is easy one and is from RMS 2021, okay? The simple interest for rupees.
Mom, I didn't understand what is the meaning of PA.
What?
In simple interest, I didn't understand what is the meaning of PA.
PA stands for per annum, beta. Per annum means per year, okay? Per annum means per year. Please try to solve the question fast. Jitna fast you will do it, more and more questions can be done in the class. It all depends upon this speed of the student. And here you go. Quickly answer me. Any one of you has still not answered? Only 3 correct answer I got. Tejas, Sai and Yashashwini. Rest Everyone gave me the wrong answer. Everyone. Yes, Utkarsh, you have raised your hand. Okay, see. The question says that you have to find the simple interest. Simple interest on what? Simple interest on 1050 rupees for 2 years at the rate 12% per annum. So formula for simple interest is what? T into R into T upon may 100. Principal is 150. Rate is 12%. Time is 2 years. Upon may 100. Now we just need to solve this, right? We just need to solve this. 0 and 0 cancelled out. 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 is 10. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 21 is 105. So I am left with 21 into 12. 21 into 12. So do 21 into 12. 21 into 10 is 210. 21 into 2 is 42. So my answer would be what? 252. Option D. Option D is your correct answer. That is 252.
Ma'am, can you?
Yes, beta, for sure. The question says that you have to find the simple interest on the rupees 1050. So 1050, this is your principal. Time is 2 years. And rate of interest is 12%. So you will use the formula to find the simple interest, that is P into R into T upon may 100. Principal is 1050. Rate of interest is 12. Time is 2 years. Now just simplify it. 0 से 0 cancelled out. 105 into 21. So when you divide 105 by 5, you get 21. And when you divide 5 by 5, you get 1. So you are left with what? 21 and 12. 21 into 12 you will do. So 21 into 10, 210. 21 into 2, 42. So 21 into 12 is 252, your answer. Anyone, any doubts? Please do let me know. Ajish, if your doubt has been resolved, please lower down your hands. Okay, I would consider that as no. Next question is also from RMS. Pardon?
Ma'am, I have the.
Okay. Ajish, turn on your mic. Ajish, beta, turn on your mic. Okay. Tell me, beta, what you did not understand, which step?
Ma'am, the multiplication one.
Beta, if you don't understand this, forget about this. Just multiply 21 into 12. As you know, okay? As per your method, you will get 252. Okay, Ajish? Okay, beta. Next question is also from RMS 2024. You can find all the question in Bharati publication book. A woman borrowed 3,600 rupees from a bank.
Ma'am, is it the 7th question?
For 3 years and 3 months. at 18% per annum. Find simple interest. Find simple interest. $2,100, 2106, 2145, 1245. Here you go. Answer me in the poll and let me start the poll for you. Here you go. Remember, month is to be converted into years. Remember that. Akrati, Ajish, Shaptarshi, very good beta. First three to answer me. Almost 9 of you have given me the correct answer this time. Very smart. But still I got 3 wrong answers. And 3 of you have not answered me. Okay, let's see dear how we are going to do it. A woman borrowed 3,600 rupees from the bank. So I know my principal is rupees 3,600. And time 3 years and 3 months. Rate 18%. I have to find the simple interest. Everything is fine in the question. Only this 3 months. I have to convert this into years. So 3 years is already in years. But this 3 months I will be converting into years. So it will become what? It will become 3 by 12 year. 3 months will become 3 by 12. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. So total it is 3 whole 1 by 4 years, right? 3 whole 1 by 4 years. Now you can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How you will do it? So you will multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 3 4s are 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. Denominator remains the same. If it is 4, so denominator remains the same. My answer would be 13 upon 4 years. Anyone has doubt in this, please do raise your hand. Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how to convert months into year.
Months into year, you have to divide the months by 12. So if it is 3 months, I divided it by 12. Got it, Ajish?
No, ma'am. I was saying that how did 3 by 12 years?
It's written in the question here. 3 months is written in the question, and whenever you convert months into years, you divide it by 12. So 3 by 12 years. Anyone else? Any question related with this step? How to convert years, months into years? Anyone? Tejas, Bhargav, Bhavik, Akrati, Mitran, Melanie. Anyone? Yashashwini. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I did it in the same way that you are doing.
Okay, Tejas. Okay, so this is time I got in years. Now everything is sorted. Now I just have to find the simple interest, right? Principal, that is 3600 into R, that is 18, into time, that is 13 upon 4 upon 100. 0 से 0, you will cut. 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 9 is 36. You are left with 9 into 18 into 13, right? So 9 into 18 is 162. And 162 into 13 you will get 2106 as the answer. That is option B. 9 into 18 is 162 and 162 into 13 is 2106. You can multiply yourself and see, dear. Please do ask me questions if any doubts. No? Okay, I will accept it as no. Okay, if no, then I'm going to give you the same type of question once more. Month 1, okay? I'm going to give you month 1 question. A sum of 2400 rupees 2400 is lent for 11 months at 5% per annum. Find simple interest. Hundred and 120, 160, 132. Okay, 2400 rupees for 11 months at 5% per annum. Same type of question I have given you. Same type. Let me see if I get all the 15 answers correct this time. Still 2 of you have not answered me. Okay. Tejas, Akrati and Sai, first 3 to answer me. Nandini, Bhavik, Mitran, Yasha and Utkarsh has also given me the correct answer. But rest, 7 of you have given me the wrong answer.
It was a misclick.
Okay, let us see. Beta, we have to find the simple interest, right? Principal, we know it's 2400. Principal is 2400. Time is 11 months. That means I have to convert this into years. Rate of interest is 5%. So I will just convert time into years. So 11 upon 12. 11 upon
Ma'am,
12. Yes, beta.
ma'am, what is that near 5, like A?
This is at the rate, beta, symbol for at the rate. In your question, you will not see this symbol, you will see at written. Okay, at. I make the question short and right on the board so that it takes less time and more questions can be done in the class here. Okay, so 11 by 12 is the time. I have to find simple interest. Simple interest is principal into rate of interest, that is 5 into time, that is 11 upon 12 into 100. So 2 zeros cancelled out. 12 1 is 12 and 12 into 2 is 24. 2 5s are 10 and 10 into 11 is 110. So my answer is option A, 110. Any doubts? Do ask me. Those who have done it wrong.
Can you explain it again?
Yes, dear.
Like the last part.
Okay. Principal is 2400. Rate is 5% given in the question. Time is 11 months. So I will take 11 upon 12. I will take 11 upon 12. Month ko I will convert into year. And upon me 100. 2 zeros cancelled out. 12 1 is 12 and 12 into 2 is 24. You are left with 2, 5 and 11. So 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 11 is 110.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else, any doubts? No? Okay, if no, then I'm moving ahead with the next question. This one is from JNV, okay? Amar borrowed rupees 800 at 5% per annum. Find the amount. Payable after 3.5 years. $920, $940, $960, $980. And here you go. You can answer me in poll quickly. Principal is 800. Rate of interest is 5%. And you have to find the amount this time. Okay? Amount you have to find. Okay, Tejas, Nandini, Yashashwini, first three to give me the answer. Nikshita, Bhargav and Bhavik has also given the correct answer, but 7 of you again wrong there. Okay, let us see how we are going to do this. Principal is 800. Rate of interest is 5%. And time is 3 whole 1/2 year, right? That means you have to convert this time into what? Into improper fraction. How you will do it? Denominator would remain the same. If 2 is written in the denominator remains the same. To convert this, what you do? You multiply 3 into 2. That is the whole number by the denominator. Whatever is the answer, you add the numerator to it. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 7 upon 2 year. Right? 7 upon 2 years. Now I have to find the simple interest. Simple interest is principal into rate of interest into time, that is 7/2 upon 100. 2 zeros cancel out. 2 1 is 2 and 2 4 is 8. You are left with what? 4, 5 and 7. 4 into 5 is 20 and 20 into 7 is 140. 140 is your simple interest. As per the question, you have to find the amount. Amount का formula was principal plus simple interest, right? Simple interest plus principal, that is 140 plus 800. 940 is the correct answer, option B. Anyone, any doubts?
Ma'am,
Please
can you
do tell me.
give the same question.
Yes, Utkarsh. Utkarsh, beta, you are not audible, dear. Try saying again, dear. Utkarsh, you are not audible to me. Exit and rejoin or ask your doubt in the chat box. Yes, I think, Vivansh, were you asking something?
Yes, ma'am. Can you give the same question?
Same type of question I'm not going to give you, but I'm going to give you different kind of question. In that you have to use your brain in the same way.
Then can you give an easy one?
Easy, अच्छा, बहुत easy. एकदम
Like
easy वाला I will give you.
Something like 1 plus 1.
Utkarsh, beta, what's your doubt? I could not get you.
Can you hear me?
Pardon. Yes, Utkarsh, now I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that what is the difference between amount and principal? I think they're the same.
Amount and simple interest is the difference between amount and principal. But in this particular question here, you have to find the amount, right? So amount ka formula is principal plus simple interest. Okay, Utkarsh? Don't be confused with the formulas.
No, ma'am. I am asking that what is the difference between principal and amount? They are same or different? How they are different?
They are different here. They are different. Principal refers to the sum that you borrow. Amount refers to the sum that you pay back. In simple words, you can say principal does not include simple interest, but amounts include simple interest. Okay, and amount is always greater than the principal. Got it, Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Next easy question on the demand of Vivansh.
Clear.
This time you have to find the simple interest.
Okay, ma'am.
On rupees 4,500 at 9% per annum for 73 days. And let me see how you use your brain. 73, 81, 219, 365. And here you go. You can answer me in the poll. "73 days" is written. Remember that. Yasha, I don't think that you are involved in the class, beta. You have just joined the class, but I don't think that you have any interest in taking the class. Arey Yashashwini, where did you go, dear? Yashashwini is out of my range. The most serious child of the class, Sai. Sai, why don't you smile, beta? I've never seen you smiling, Sai. Yashashwini, Ajish, and Tejas. First three to answer me. Nikshita has also given me the correct answer. But rest, most of you have given me the wrong answer. And some of you have not answered. Okay. So the problem in this question is that time is given in days, right? Time is given in days. That is 73 days. Always you remember, dear, whenever time is given in days, what you have to do? You must divide the days by 365 because 1 year has 365. Now, please don't tell me that, ma'am, what if a leap year? Why can't we take 366? That's the rule of the maths. In general, you take 365 in a year, not 366. Okay. So, whenever you are converting days into year, divide the number of days by 365. 73, 1 is 73 and 73 into 5 is 365. So my answer is 1 by 5 year. This is the time. Yes, Vivansh, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, when I was doing this question, I don't know why, but my brain was not braining.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know. Yes, Utkarsh, beta, you have also raised your hand.
Ma'am, I haven't raised my hand.
So time is 1 by 5 year. We will convert by dividing the number of days upon 365. Now just calculate the simple interest, as easy and simple. 4,500 is my principal. 9% rate, 1 by 5 time. Upon me 2 zeros. 2 zeros cancelled out, beta. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 9 is 45. You are left with 9 and 9. So 9 9s are 81. Option B is the correct answer. Please take the screenshot, everyone. And if any doubt, any question, please do let me know. Because only 4 of you have given me the correct answer. Sai, Mitran, Nakrati, Saptarshi, any doubts there? because all of you except Sai has turned on off the video. Any doubts there? Okay, if no answer, then I would consider it as no. Okay, next question is from RMS. Next question is from RMS. If the interest on a sum of 500 rupees is equal to rupees 500 in 10 years, what is the rate of interest? This question is from RMS beta. You have to find the rate of interest in this particular question. 5%, 2%, 10% or 12.5%. And here you go. You can answer me in poll. Quickly. Three of you still remaining to answer. Okay, this time 9 of you have given me the correct answer. Very good, beta. Tejas, Nandini and Vivansh, first 3 to answer me. But 3 of you have given me the wrong answer. 2 of you haven't answered. Okay, let me see dear how we are going to solve this question. The question is very simple. The question says the interest on a sum of rupees 500. That means principal is rupees 500 is equal to 500. That means simple interest is also what? 500. Principal is also 500. Simple interest is also 500. Time is 10 years. You have to find the rate of interest. Now, as per the formula, rate of interest is what? Rate of interest stands for SI into 100 upon May T into T. That is the principal and the time. Now, just put the value in this particular formula. SI is 500 into 100. Principal is also 500 because it is mentioned in the question that sum is also 500 and sum is equal to the interest, that is 500. And time is 10 years. Now just solve it. 500 and 500 cancelled out. 10 and 10 cancelled out. You are left with only 10. So 10% is your answer. Do let me know if any doubts, especially those who did it wrong. Yasha, Utkarsh, those who did not do it. Melanie, Mitra Nanakrati. Yes, Tejas?
Every question, what Which you did from the start of the class. I did it like same only.
Okay, very good, Tejas. You are very close to your selection then. Yes, Utkarsh, you have raised your hand here.
That see the option showed that it was C, but at the last second I saw it that it was changed into D. I don't know how it was changed into D, but my answer was C.
Might be better when you touch the option C, it might have changed to D there.
No, ma'am. In the last 2 seconds, when 2 seconds were left, I saw that C changed to D.
Okay, sometimes it happens just because of the internet issue there. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to change the slide. Okay, here you go. The next question is from JNV. At what rate per annum a sum of rupees 1200 will become rupees 1560 in 5 years at simple interest? Four percent, 5%, 6%, 4%, and 8%. This one is from the JNV beta. And here you go. You can answer me in poll quickly. Tejas, Akrati, Bhargav, very good beta. First 3 to answer me. 8 of you have given me the correct answer. 5 wrong.
Ma'am, will there be a class
Okay, let us see how we are going to do this, dear. I have to find rate of interest, right? In this particular question, sum, that is 1200 is given to us, and sum becomes 1560. That means principal and amount has been given to us. First, I shall find the simple interest. So simple interest is what? Amount minus principal. 1560 minus 1200. 360 is my simple interest. Now I have to find the rate of interest. Rate of interest का formula is simple. SI into 100 upon में P into T. SI is what? SI is 360 into 100 upon में principal is 1200 and time is 5 years. Now just simplify it. 2020 cancelled out. 12 1 is 12 and 12 into 30 360. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 6 is 30. So 6% is the correct answer. That is option C. Any doubts, beta? Anyone?
Ma'am, did you close your camera?
Can I do what? Yes, Sai. Beta, you have raised your hand here. Turn on your mic.
Ma'am, I'm having doubt in amount.
Amount. Why, beta?
Ma'am,
What doubt?
Actually, no, ma'am. Actually, what is the problem means he can't able to, calculate what is the amount and the simple interest in the question. Sometimes you are saying that simple interest is so and so, and sometimes saying amount no. So yeah, he has seen some issues in how to differentiate amount and simple interest.
Okay, I got it. That means you cannot understand the meaning of the question, that how to differentiate that this is the amount and this is the simple interest, right?
Yes,
Am I
he can't
right,
able to
Sai?
differentiate. Yes, correct.
Okay, for that, Sai, you must understand the meaning of the question. Let us see. The question says, beta, that a sum of rupees 1200. So wherever sum is written, wherever you see the sum written, sum means the principal. Okay, sum means the principal always. Now further the question says that this 1200 will become 1560. 1200 will become 1560. So always do remember, dear, that principal always becomes the amount. Principal always becomes the amount. So if 1200 is my principal, it will become amount. That is why 1560 is the amount. Now did you get it, Sai?
Got it.
Yes, ma'am, got it, ma'am.
Anything else, beta, I can help you with?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Yes, Vivansh, were you asking something, dear?
Ma'am, can you play one formula game?
For formula game. Okay, not today because I haven't informed everyone. So formula game, if you want to play, we can play tomorrow at the end 5 minutes of the class. After we are done with 55 minutes of the class. So after that, we can do formula game, but only if everyone learns the formula. If formula is not known to everyone, it's of no use, dear.
Everybody learn the formulas.
Yes, Vivansh has told everyone to learn the formula, right?
This is not the Sanic school exam that we're gonna learn the formula.
You are not going to learn the formula. Who is it?
I'm
think
gonna
it was
learn the
Dasha.
formula, ma'am. I am gonna. It's not today.
It's not today. Acha. I thought you are saying that it's not Sanic school, so we are not going to learn the formula.
Man, Vivansh is writing you better or else done.
Okay, let's see one different kind of question here. A sum of rupees 800 amounts to rupees 920 in 3 years. What will it amount to in 3 years if rate of interest is decreased by 3%? Decreased by 3%. First you solve yourself and then I will help you out in this. Here you go. Quickly. First you solve yourself and then I will help you out in this. The question says sum of money amounts to 920, 800 amounts to 920 in 3 years. What will be the amount in 3 years if rate of interest is decreased by 3%? Let me see. Who gives me the correct answer for this? This one is a bit tricky one. Okay, Tejas and Akrati. Tejas and Akrati, very good dear. 2 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest, no one. Okay, see how we are going to do this, dear. This one is really tricky. See, the question says a sum of rupees 800 amount to rupees 920. Sum of rupees 800 amounts to rupees 920 in 3 years. In 3 years. Now, I know the principal, I know the amount, I know the time, but I don't know the rate of interest. So first thing what I will do, I will calculate the rate of interest. Now sum is 800 given in the question, amount is 920 mentioned in the question. So easily we can find out the simple interest first. So simple interest would be what? 920 minus 800. 120 rupees. This is the simple interest. And in order to find the rate of interest, I have to do simple interest into 100 upon P into T. 20, cancelled out. 3 1 is 3 and 3 into 40 is 120. 8 1 is 8 and 8 into 5 is 40. So rate of interest is 5%. When amount is 800, when principal is 800, amount is 920, time is 3 years, my rate of interest is 5%. But the question says that what will be the amount in 3 years? You have to find the new amount. If rate of interest is decreased by 3%, that means new rate is what? New rate is 5 minus 3, 2%. New rate is 5 minus 3, 2%. You can easily find the simple interest. Principal will remain the same. Rate of interest, new rate of interest is 2. And time is 3 years upon 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, cancel out. 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. So, new simple interest is 48 and new amount will be what? 800 plus 48, that is 848. If my rate of interest is decreased by 3%, My amount will be 848. That is option A. Anyone, any doubts? Please raise your hand.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see. Yes, Saptarshi beta. Saptarshi, can you please repeat? I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, please repeat it again.
Yes, dear, for sure. See, a sum is rupees 800. 800 amounts to 920 in 3 years. You have to find out that if rate of interest is decreased by 3%, what will be the new amount? So for decreasing the rate, I should know what was the rate, right? So first I will find out the old rate. So simple interest, that is 120 into 100 upon my 800 into 3. When you solve it, beta, you get 5%. 5% was the old rate of interest. As per the question, now the rate of interest has been decreased by 3%. So new rate of interest would be what? 5 minus 3, that is 2%. If rate of interest is 2%, you have to find new amount. To find a new amount, you need to first find the new simple interest. So 800, which is the principal, into 2, that is the rate of interest, into 3, that is time, upon me 100. 0 and 0 cut, multiply it, you will get 48. So my new amount is principal, that is 800, plus simple interest, that is 48. So 848. Got it, Saptarshi dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else, beta? Any problem? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If no, then please learn all the formulas. Tomorrow we will play game at the end of the 5 minutes of the class. Okay. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.